Hi, I'm Peter Kalmström of Kalmström.com Business Solutions. In this demonstration, I'll go ahead and try to build a better task form with InfoPath 2013. So I'll go ahead and jump into my SharePoint site and go into the site contents and add an app. And in this case, it's a tasks app. So I'll just search for that. Tasks. And in my case, I'll just call it tasks. Then I'll go in and make some modifications of that list, and I'll go into list settings and remove some of the columns that in most cases are not used. I'll remove the %complete. Nobody fills that out anyway. Delete that. Same thing with the predecessors and the related items. There we go. Then I'm going to go ahead and go into advanced settings and change the way that the dialog is shown in a new form and not in a dialog. So I'm going to change the default setting here in SharePoint 2013. And as you see, now when I create a new task, it opens up in a dialog. Test 1. And the form almost fits into the actual without a scroll bar. So I'm going to go ahead and save that, but I want to do some more modifications to the form. For example, all these 4 small controls, they don't really need all that space. I can just mix that up a lot tighter. So let's do that, and for that I'm going to use InfoPath, and that's under the list settings here and customize form. That opens up InfoPath Designer. And now I can just go ahead and insert a row here, insert below. And I'm going to merge that and then split it. And I want to split it in 4 columns by 2 rows. That should allow me to have all the information together. So I'm just going to cut and paste here. Cut the due dates in there. Same thing with the start date, of course. And the priority doesn't need so much space. There we go. And the task status. And now I can delete all these empty rows. Delete rows. Same thing with that row up there. Delete rows. There we go. Now I'm just going to go ahead and publish this. Quick publish. And now I can go out and refresh my SharePoint site here. And then create a new task. And as you see, it's using my new form and there's no scroll bar. And I can do the test 2 task there and fill out all this information. And as you see, everything fits within the form anyway. There we go. I'm just going to save that now. I want to do one more thing though. The first thing I want to do is go into list settings and modify the versions so that we actually get versioning on these tasks. Create a version each time you edit an item in this list. Okay. And then I'm going to add another column, and I'm going to add a column called comments. I'm going to call it comments, and that's going to be a multiple lines of text field. And then I'm going to modify a setting here called append changes to existing text. That is a rather cool thing that allows you to have a little discussion board with adding comments, but you can't change the existing ones. As you'll notice, when I open the form now, the new comments field that I just added has not been added to the form, and that's one of the downsides of using the InfoPath designer here to customize the form. If you do that, new columns that you add will not automatically get added. I'm going to open that again in InfoPath, and I get this notification that one or more fields in the SharePoint list have changed. And of course I want to update that, and there we have the comments field. So now I can just go ahead and add another row to this table, insert below, and then merge those cells and pull in the comments there also. And now I can publish that again, and of course now the comments column will be usable. Alright, let's go back to my SharePoint site and refresh the page again and create a new task again. I'll call that task 3, and as you see now, the comments field is right down here, so I'm going to add some comments. Nice form, and then just go ahead and save that. Now if I open that again now and just edit that one, you'll see my comment here. If I edit that now, you see I'm not able to edit the comment here. I can just add to the comment, so that gives you a running commentary or a form of discussion board almost on your ticket, which is very nice. So that concludes my demonstration. Thank you very much for watching.